And one opportunity I really like is CAD yen. Okay, so I like the idea of being a buyer on CAD yen, right? And the reason why I like being a buyer of CAD yen is because when I look at across the currencies, what I try and do is identify, especially when I'm looking at miners. So what do the miners equal? They equal the sort of a major currency pair plus a major currency pair. So in this instance, CAD yen is equal to dollar CAD and dollar yen. So what I'm essentially trying to do here is identify what's going on in these two markets to be able to go over to the miner, right? Or the cross pair, which is that CAD yen. So we've just took a look at dollar CAD. Dollar CAD was at resistance. We've had a little look at dollar yen. Dollar yen was at support. Let me just go flick back over to dollar yen. This support area down through here. Okay, that 156 handle. So if you've got those two at support and one at resistance, what does that mean? Well, it means that we can probably look for a long idea when it comes to CAD yen. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for right now. I'm looking for a little CAD yen long to see if we can get in on a potential opportunity with targets being those key swing highs, and then looking for sort of stops below those swing lows. So if I go back to the CAD yen price here, we can see that the market has come into this area. And what do I look for at this point? Well, I look for one or two things. I look for changes in trend, and I look for price to come back to key areas of support and resistance. So if we go to the 15-minute time frame, what I find quite interesting about this is the market has rallied, okay, from that level. Now, we haven't technically made a new high here, right? I haven't technically made a new high, but have we made the higher low now? The market coming into this area, coming back into that sort of demand zone where buyers were stepping back in, failing to close significantly below. Is that going to be the catalyst to push prices higher now? So for me, I like the idea of seeing something like this on CAD yen, break above that 50 MA, push higher, and then a continuation from that point. So let me know if you understood that. Let me know if that made sense. Let me know your feelings around CAD yen as well. I also like the fact that we're away from the 50 MA. So maybe a bit of a mean reversion trade up to that point as well. Could be something to look for.